Please keep all arms, heads, legs, and feet on the inside, and please supervise children on our trip up Main Street. And we have now departed the central hub for Town Square. Off to your right-hand side, look there to glimpse the Sleeping Beauty's castle, all decked out for the holidays. As we continue on around, we'll come up to Adventureland and Frontierland. Through those lands you will find New Orleans Square, Critter Country, and Galaxy's Edge. Within these lands you will find such attractions as Big Thunder Mountain, the Columbia Sailing Ship, as well as Pirates of the Caribbean, the Haunted Mansion Holiday, the Indiana Jones Adventure, and much more. We've now made our way onto Main Street USA. Main Street USA is actually based off of a real place. That place is Marceline, Missouri, and it was Walt Disney's hometown. Over here on your left-hand side, you'll find the Plaza Point Holiday Shop. Once you step through those doors, every day is a holiday. Off to your left-hand side is the Candy Palace. Step inside and find a suite to that suite in your party. And right next door is the Penny Arcade, where for $1 a quarter or a time you can have a whale of a good time. As we continue on down the street, you'll find the Gibson Girl Ice Cream Parlor. And right across the way is the Market House, where we are pouring Starbucks coffee. Now folks, as we continue on down the street, you may see the large tree at the end of the street. This tree is at 60 feet tall. The star at the top is actually an extra 3 feet, so it's actually 63 feet tall. 63 feet tall. I can talk too much. There are approximately somewhere around 72,000 lights on the tree. Well, folks, our trip is very quickly coming to an end. I hope you've enjoyed your trip up Main Street USA. Please remain seated until the bus has stopped completely. Look around for your personal belongings and watch your step. We do thank you for riding today. We hope you have a great and wonderful stay here at Walt's Original Magic Kingdom. Please have a safe drive home or wherever your travels take you.